Hello, this is Walter from the website department at Champions Way. Today I'm going to show you how to basically hyperlink text or images on your website. So log into your website for me. Now basically once you log in, you should be looking at your CMS system, your contacts, all your Perfect Mind backend. So from here, just go to marketing and website settings. Now from here, go to organize pages for me. Now in order to find where the pages that you want to edit, go to the page on your website. So for instance, I'm going to go to my page, which is let's say about us. And what I want to do here is, let's say I want to have let's add a little bit of text right here after the question mark and download your schedule. And I'm going to link that bit of text so when you click on it, a PDF document opens. So let's go ahead and do that. So now this is my address bar. As you can see, the domain, of course. The next is your menu or your application suite, as we call it, and then the page name. So what you want to remember is your menu or application suite. So if we go into setup again and we go to organize pages, you will see that here are the menus or the application suite. So we know that under the about us page, it's under the social site menu or app suite. So let's go to it. As you can see, here it is. So if I toggle it, you will now see the about us page. So this is an easy way to find where your page is. So from here, I have two options to basically get into this page. Now I can either click the edit button, which will take me inside of the actual full HTML page. By full, I mean it allows me to give it a title, description, and any kind of header code. So if you wanted like Google Analytics tracking for this one page, you could add it here, or your Facebook retargeting pixel code, because this is your promotion page that you want to target. You could add your pixelating code right here. The other method would be, instead of clicking edit, I would basically hover over that same page and go to view. Now view I've already got open, which is here. As you can see, it's the website page, and I can go to the edit button here and edit. But this is kind of an incomplete editor because I don't have access now to my, let me open this page again. So we're both not editing the about us page, but one of them is a more comprehensive edit, the other one is a slightly less edit. So you can see on the edit view, I have access to all of the meta tag information. On the view edit, I can only have access to what's inside my actual content area, which is the box down in here. I am missing all my meta tag information on this one. So depending what you're doing, you can choose which way you want to edit. So I'm going to choose the edit mode, so I basically have access to everything, although I don't really need it for what I'm doing right now. But regardless, I'm going to go ahead and edit in here. So I'm going to scroll under the image now. Basically here, I want to add download your schedule. Alright, and then I'm going to put a period, and then let me put a couple spaces there. Now, so in order to this text to be able to be clickable and then redirected elsewhere, what I got to do is highlight it. Now I got to find my hyperlink manager in order to create a hyperlink. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my hyperlink manager. There it is. Click on it. Now from here, if I knew where I was going, so let's say I wanted that bit of text to go right to the Champions Way website, for instance, I could just write the address right here because I know it, of course. championsway.com, and then I could click OK and save it, and that would be the end of that. But because I want that text area to basically download a PDF schedule, I need to upload my schedule first into the document manager. So as you can see, if I hover over it, you will see document manager. Click on it. Now my document manager will open. So this is the same as if you're going to add an image to your website. You have to upload the image first to your image manager, then you can add the image to the page. same as linking PDF documents or Word documents. You have to upload them to the document manager first, and then add them or link them to the page. So all I can do now is click the upload button, and I can select the document I like. So for instance, let's say it's a schedule here. So that's the one I want. And go ahead and click open. You can see the schedule has been added here, and hit upload. Now because I already have it, I'm not going to upload it here. I'm just going to go ahead and select it. Now here, I want this to open in a new page now, so it's not blocking my website page, of course. And then this is now the tooltip. So schedule. So this is a little message that you will get when you hover over that particular text area. So I'm going to go ahead and insert it. And you can see the address now has been added. This is to the PDF, and click OK. Now I've got this highlighted and everything, so that means it's taken. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. Now if I go back to my website page, I don't want to make any changes here because I already made them on the other page, of course. So now here, if we go ahead and have a look, here you are. So you can see download your schedule, which is just I added. So now, do you see the little schedule, little tab that appears? That's the tooltip. So now if I click on this, it's going to open in a new tab, and there's my new schedule. So there's the tab where my website is. And then once again, if I click on it, it will open a new tab on my browser for the schedule. That way there's the schedule, then client can still get access to your website after they clicked on the schedule link. I hope that was helpful. Have a great day, and there will be more tutorials to come. Thank you.